Good morning, children. So, student, let's start about the discussion of the case study which I have given you in your homework from chapter number 6, staffing. Now, student, this was the case study about organization Prakash Limited. So, let's read the case study. Prakash Limited is a highly reputed company and many people wanted to join this company. The employees of this organization are very happy and they discuss how they came in contact with this organization. There is an organization, institute, business whose name is Prakash Limited. This is a very good company. It have very positive will in the market and there are lots of people who want to join this company or this organization. There are certain employees of the organization which are very happy after becoming the part of the organization or after getting job into the organization. Now they are discussing with each other, the employee of the organization are discussing with each other that how they came in contact with the organization. It means how they have joined the organization. What are the different sources by which they have joined the organization. Now let's see. Aman said that he was introduced by present cell manager. So the first employee is Aman and he said to the other employee that how he came to this organization. So he was saying that he was introduced by present cell manager, means the cell manager who is working presently in the organization. He joined Aman into the organization. The Aman source of joining organization is the present cell manager of Prakash Limited, right? Now next person is Mr. John Venue. He is saying that he had applied through the newspaper and was appointed as HR John. It means John Venue, he is saying that he has joined this organization when he applied by newspaper. And when he applied by newspaper, he got a position of HR manager. So this is about Mr. John. Now Mr. Vaibhav. He is saying that he was neither related to any of the employee of the organization nor there was any advertisement in the newspaper. Even then he was directly called from HM Ahmedabad from where he was about to complete his MBA. And the third employee of Prakash Limited who has recently joined the organization, Mr. Vaibhav, he is saying that I was not got any appointment from any cell manager, neither I was called from any cell manager and nor I was got this appointment after getting from newspaper advertisement. I have been directly called from HM Ahmedabad where he was about to complete his MBA. It means he was studying in MBA in Ahmedabad and he was going to complete his MBA. Within this only, he was directly called from the organization from his institutions. So placement कैसे हुआ है? Placement has been done between the institutions where the person was doing MBA to the Prakash Limited organization. So this is about the 3 person or employee. They are sharing their experience that how they have been appointed or joined Prakash Limited. Aman joined by a source of cell manager. Mr. John joined after going through with the newspaper, and Mr. Vaibhav no sources of any manager or nor he was joined after seeing the advertisement in the newspaper, but directly the organization has called him from his institutions. Now this is about the case study, student. Now what we have to search from the case study, the important thing is the above discussion is indicating an important function of management. Name the function of management. Now it's very easy for you because now the question is related with one chapter only. This question is saying that the discussion of employee here is relating with any one function of management. उस function of management का आपको नाम बताना है. Now how many function of management we have? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Planning is related with thinking in advance. Organizing is related with arranging the structure, and staffing is related with appointing the right people into a right job, means related with human resources management. So what is happening here? Here we are appointing or filling the position of job which are vacant into Prakash Limited, means we are going through with the function of staffing. So आपका फर्स्ट आंसर हो गया दैट ये जो डिस्कशन हो रहा है वो कौन से फंक्शन से रिलेटेड है मैनेजमेंट के. सो दैट फंक्शन इज स्टाफिंग फंक्शन. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेट दैट द मैनेजमेंट फंक्शन आइडेंटिफाई इन पार्ट ए. पार्ट ए में जो आपने मैनेजमेंट का फंक्शन आइडेंटिफाई किया दैट इज स्टाफिंग एज अ आंसर. फॉलो अ पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस. Explain the step of this process which is being discussed in the above paragraph. It means that we know that whatever discussion was going on here, it was a function of management, that was staffing. Now even the staffing also, the discussion is related with which step of the process of staffing. So it was related with recruitment. Recruitment, what basically we do in the staffing process? In the process of step of recruitment, we basically used to search the employee first, and once the searching has been done, once we got a prospective employee which we required for our organization, we encourage these employee to apply for the job into the organization. So this is the answer of the question which I have given you in the homework, where some of you have doubt also. It means the whole discussion was about related with the human power, it means staffing, and because we are searching the employee, we are filling our job position, right? So that is about recruitment step of staffing process. So student, I hope it's clear now, and let's start the another case study which I have given you for your work. See the case study. Name the method of recruitment in the following cases. Now again we are filling the job position, again we are searching the job employee first, and we are encouraging the employee to apply for the job into the organization. Now what basically we have to do? We have to name the method of recruitment, means हम जो यहाँ पे सर्च कर रहे हैं एम्प्लॉय को, and then we are encouraging the employee to apply for the job. Which method of recruitment we are using for that? So let's read the statement or question first. The first is, a company get application on and off even without declaring any vacancy. However, as and when the vacancy arises, the company make use of such application. The first statement is saying that a company is getting application sometime when we on the vacancies, it means when we declare the vacancies, that time we got application or extra application also we got, and sometime when we don't declare the vacancies, still we got the application in the offices. However, as when the vacancies arises, the company make use of such application, or these application which we get but we don't need it that particular time, we use these all application in that particular time when we require those type of vacancies. It means हम कर क्या रहे हैं, unsolicited applications को screening कर रहे हैं, right? Now this is the first, and this is what method we will discuss about this later on. So just go through with the second one statement. Casual vacancies of unskilled or semi-skilled job when there is rush of order or when some permanent workers are absent. Casual vacancies are the another method by which we can go through with the recruitment process. This is saying that casual vacancies fill करनी हमें unskilled or semi-skilled peoples के लिए. Means we required unskilled or semi-skilled people casually into the organization without giving no previous time of indication. Now, and reason for this is that some permanent worker are absent or they have left. Now we have to search which method of recruitment is this. And the third is recruitment by which most of the senior position of the industries as well as commerce are filled. It means what are the different method of recruitment by which we used to fill out the senior or topmost position of the industry. Now children, let's start with the explanation of answer of first statement. Now the first statement was saying you that a company get application on and off even without declaring any vacancies, yani, and however as when the vacancies arises the company make use of such application. Means a company is continuously getting the application. When they sometime even when they don't require it, they used to save those application, and whenever there is any vacancy arises, that time company use those application. So that is called casual callers. What we basically do in the casual caller, students, we used to collect all those application which we don't require now, but in case future we require any vacancies, we have to fill any vacancy, we go through with the screening of all those unsolicited application, and according to our qualification needed, we select employees from there. So this is the first way or first answer of your statement. Now next was saying that casual vacancies of unskilled or semi-skilled. So from there only it should be clear to you. We have explained this earlier also. Unskilled or semi-skilled jobs are always filled by the help of direct recruitment. Now next is recruitment by which most of the senior position of the industries as well as commerce are filled. So that is advertisement. Why? Because in case of advertisement we require a long period of time also to get the vacancies, to fill the vacancies, and we have to go through with lots of expenditures also. So these type, especially in the senior position or to fill out the top position of the organization, we go through with the advertisement process. So student, I hope now it will be clear to you, and again I'll send you the another case study of chapter number 6. Thank you.